In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Ledger hardware wallet. First, unbox your Ledger device and make sure it comes sealed and untampered. Download and install the Ledger Live app on your computer or mobile device, then open the app and select Set up a new device. Next, connect your Ledger hardware wallet to your computer or mobile device using the included cable. Follow the on-screen instructions in Ledger Live, then use the buttons on your Ledger device to begin the setup process. Now, create a new PIN code on your Ledger device. Choose a PIN that's easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. You'll enter this PIN each time you unlock your device. After that, your Ledger device will display a 24-word recovery phrase. Carefully write each word down in the exact order on the recovery sheet provided with your device. Store this recovery phrase in a safe offline location and never share it with anyone or save it online. This phrase is the only way to recover your crypto if your device is lost, stolen, or damaged. Next, confirm your recovery phrase on the Ledger device by selecting the requested words in the correct order. Once the verification is complete, return to Ledger Live and finish the setup process. You can then install cryptocurrency apps on your Ledger device and add accounts for the coins you want to manage. Finally, review the security check in Ledger Live to make sure your device is genuine and ready to use. Once everything is complete, your Ledger hardware wallet is set up and ready to securely store and manage your cryptocurrency. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a Ledger hardware wallet. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.